How's it going, guys? My name is Dom, and today I want to talk about the FormData object within JavaScript in conjunction with the XML Http request. So basically, FormData allows you to send key value pairs of information to the server which you're making the XML Http request to. This allows you to basically make your own HTML forms which will be submitted and sent without refreshing the page, and also you can use this for general sending of information. So first we can make a new instance of a FormData object. So let's declare a new constant here. We'll call this constant data equal to a new FormData object, and that is the FormData constructor. So now we can add key value pairs to this FormData object using the append method. So we'll say data.append. This method takes two arguments, the first one being the key, the second being the value. So let's add one here. We'll call the key name and the value something like Dominic. Alright, so my name is Dominic right there. We can also add numbers. So we added a string here, a string. We can add a number as well. So let's say data.append a key called age equal to 56 years old. Perfect. So now the data object has been constructed. We can now send this through alongside the XML Http request. But first, we need to actually make a URL or resource to send the request to. So let's make a new PHP file here. We'll call this one bottle.php. And this file is going to accept this request, and it's going to simply just print out the contents of the post array. So it's going to print out all this stuff right here using the PHP, formatting. So let's say print _r and pass in $_post. As I said, this will just print out all the post variables that were sent. So if we save this one and go back inside here, we can start to make the request itself. So let's make a new constant called xhr equal to a new XML Http request. Alright, we can now open that request up. So we'll say xhr.open. We're going to use the post method as I've used the post variable here. So using the post method, we'll make a request to the file bottle.php and use the asynchronous, method of transmitting that request. Alright, now we can send off that request. So we're going to say xhr.send. This send method can also take an argument, that being this data right here. So we're going to say xhr.send and pass in this FormData object. So now if we save this one, go inside Chrome and then refresh, we get nothing. By going inside the network tab here, we see the request has actually gone through. If we press on this one, we see in the headers tab, scroll down, we see request payload, and we have this form data. Name is name, we've got name age 56, Dominic, it's all being sent. Now the response is that PHP print R statement, which has printed out the actual form data information. It's simple as that. And that is how you can use the new FormData object in JavaScript. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.